I have exciting book post. Can you guess what it is? Can you? I think you can. Okay, so let me open this and I'll try and open it without messing it up. I'll probably scare my dogs to me. Oh, and I haven't managed to do it. That's typical, isn't it? I knew I should have opened it before. Oh, we're still not there. Sorry, I'll be there in a second. It's all right, Claude. Don't panic. It's all right, Claude. Sorry, I'm scaring my dog. So exciting. Oh, the best thing after all those months of research and writing, your first draft, second draft, structural edits and all the other edits, is this. Look at that. Let me show you. Oh, God, look at that. And they're lovely. I love this cover. Look at that. Thank you very much, HarperCollins. Thank you. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. So, let me see what have I got inside there. Oh, lovely. Now this one, they don't know I've done this actually because I didn't tell them. I have dedicated Witchbane to my siblings. So let me show you that. I don't know if you can see that. That's to my siblings, and I'll read it out. It says, "To my wonderful siblings, I'm very lucky that I'm one of 5. This is in age order. I'm the oldest. Kate Troy Goddard, Jason Troy, Rachel Troy, and Christian Troy. Always fun to be around. We're all quite different from each other, but we do have a lot of fun together." So yes, that's my siblings. Oops, that one there. And yeah, so exciting. Oh gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Witchbane, look at that. Oh, I hope people enjoy this book. Reviews are coming back and saying really lovely things, so it's nice. So I'll read you the blurb on the back. Dancing with the Devil's Son. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it says 1640 Jersey. Rue Underwood has long understood that her magic would kill her. In an age where witches are reviled and hunted gleefully by men like Elias Lesurf, the notorious witchfinder, it's crucial that she remain hidden. But when whispers reach Elias's ears of Rue's abilities, he sends his new apprentice, his son Theo, gorgeous hot Theo, to find Rue and bring her in. But after one chance moonlit meeting, everything changes. In a world where witches burn, loving the enemy is the most dangerous magic of all. So this is out on the, I'm so excited. This is out on the 27th of August, so 3 weeks time as I record this. 27th of August in ebook and in audiobook. It's a dual narration, so we've got the male and the female narrators, which is very exciting. I was very excited to be sent. I was sent several audition tapes for the male and for the female, and I chose these two. I thought they were just perfect. I can't wait to listen to the audiobook. And so the audiobook and the ebook are out on the 24th of August, and the paperback, this lovely paperback, is out on things are falling off my desk. 24th of September. So isn't that exciting? Thank you so much if you've pre-ordered a copy. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's just so exciting. So excited. Let me put it next to a copy of The Witching Hour, because they're quite sort of simple. So The Witching Hour is the first one that came out last year, and Witchbane, they're two totally separate standalone books. They're not a series. This one is 2 timelines. So this is the Second World War, set during the Jersey occupation, and 300 years before, also in Jersey. And this one, so that's 1643, and this one is 16 I can't remember because I've written 2 books since then. 1640. So I'm so excited. So if you do read it, please let me know what you think, and if you do read it, I hope you enjoy it. So thank you very much. In the back, I've got my acknowledgements, and what I always love doing in the back is writing an author's note. And I put certain things, there's something in there, so there's something in there that sounds like it's made up, but it really, really isn't. And once the book is out, I'll sort of share more about that. But if you read the book, you will actually find out about that anyway, because I write about it in the book. Yes, that was an exciting thing I discovered about a place that I went to quite often as a teenager, was completely oblivious about. It was so exciting to make the discovery, and I've used this place in the book for a very special meeting between Theo and Rue. So that's Witchbane. It is out on the 27th of August, and thank you, HarperCollins, for these gorgeous books. Look, I can't believe it's so exciting. Look at that. Oh my word, so exciting. So thank you very much. If you've pre-ordered a copy, I'm so grateful. If you've already been sent an art copy to review, thank you very much for taking the time to read it and review it. And yes, I hope you'll enjoy it when it comes out. Thank you.